problem. Would I breed? I don't know. Some me I breed, me have problem. You know, about the combo, me have a problem. One only problem. Me have a problem time now. Relax and rest. Me the man do what I do. Let's go and talk about the blood clot, man. Me have problem, no one hear nothing. Me have 99 blood clot problem. You don't want me to kick off tonight. Rest me, please. Me have problem at my home. I don't want about door. Me have problem. Relax, me have problem. We can't enter the ranking. You don't want a girl type or dictate to me right now. Me have problem. Not only for problem. Anybody have any private that's okay, and that should be let me know. Whether it want be for the basmati rice or for Jakes, let me know. When I'm in inbox, I send me the link for Dash the Belly. I don't know what part story.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing's set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon a beat and it can't see. Pan on the screen. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. People will hear say Rosalee is going to dash with the picnic because things is no longer rosy with she and Akeem. Putting out the comment section waiting about that because Jah know. People in my say, them don't know if them could have managed another one because you already know the situation at hand. The state, the government has them two older children. You see my people, and I would think the best way to get the kids back if Rose used her TikTok money and get a lease in a, Jake's name so he can go to the court and say, look, like I have a place for the kids. You know what I mean? Send them home. He said, because if he's waiting to build a house, it's going to take longer than 1 month, because things have to pass inspection and all of these things, and government is going to come to your place and all of that stuff to make sure it's safe. You know what I mean? So I think they should just go that route and things. You see some people putting out the comment section writing about that because say the court is going to advise counseling for Rosalee. You know what I mean? As you can see, everybody's doing an interview with the dad because he's deemed the nice guy, the safe road, you see what I say. And I don't think anything is wrong in that house, to be honest with you, because the kids are doing good in school. They're doing good in getting tests and their homeworks and all of this stuff. So, it's not a bad environment. I just Rosalee need for work on our team. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, Kartel is explaining how Hakeem was able to use this 2 P's and trap Rose. Because them always saying that there's 2 P's, right? But he's also exposing them batty business and all type of careless activities with a series here. So that's like I can share the video from now and let's see what I go on for that one is. Because Dancehall Queen Spice catch some strays too.
That. Because when things me move from hate to love now. Remember we know like Kartel and that campaign not up.
Rightly so.
Mm-hmm.
Why them still each up over there? Yeah, for do.
Yeah, right. One thing we know the whole of them, they know me can't, no bad to bad, they cuss me, they class me, they know me can't read. They know me can't do my thing, because they watch me whole heap of time. But they don't like me because my face there, and me don't like them because they treat me. So it even. Me no see the purpose of me go looking at for your life and go tell you when me see good. And you not like me. You're supposed to come here and tell you say you have AIDS. You're supposed to come here and tell you say you're supposed to be dead next week. Well, I cannot do that. I don't have the heart. So what I do is rather do blood clot chat to you than try to tell you the lie. Because once me have you up here, I'm going to tell you the truth. So when me in a mood for chat, I don't want to sue you. Simple.
Okay, Vendetta said, Bossy, you think me moving is the best choice or the transfer is coming through soon?
$600.
Right, that's for here, Vendetta.
Listen to me, people. Let me tell you something. With all due respect, a long time in the game, I'm not diss nobody. I'm about March 11, I'm an honest man and I tell the truth. If you are here and nothing going for you and you're broke, but you don't want to look at spiritual help, but right now nothing going, and if you have the money for pay, go on over LA Lewis or go on Pastor Chambers or go on them places, because what you know, 2 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago, it's all about freeness to me and helping people. The fucker them bring me down, tell lies, say me fuck boy, come out with spice and try to put allegation by me. From this until now, me tell everything we come from Caribbean, go suck out to the moment if you don't have the money, you don't come pay me, go suck me and heat out me and Nicky. So right now, as it is, they bring down, when they bring down and come try to tell lies, say me fuck off young boy. I don't want no mama blood clot come to me if you don't have no money. If you don't have no money, fuck off and leave me. Go look for LA Lewis and leave me the blood clot alone. Because one thing hurt me overall. When Spice did that bring me down, nobody never come out and click live and say, boy, me no think so. Really do all I say, him for go down this, that, uno go suck out on the mama, uno don't get me upset. Me still remember that, so listen to me. When uno the blood clot, see me come up here, so me don't want to come love me, cause uno do that, uno traumatize me strip and me pitney them. Cause me and nobody over this blood clot, yeah, no friend. I work, so sometimes me in a good mood and sometimes me in a revengeful energy. Bumbo clot. So when you just listen to me or when you fuck off, I'm not big nobody nothing. Blood clot, you know, I come pressure me for be when Spice come say me fuck off, boy, the whole out. They out here say, yes, that's true, bring down in blood clot. Now, when me overcome that and there and all of that. And the next blood clot thing too. When me talk, say me know Spice, I used to work over for Spice. Them say, watch your card, move your blood clot like you tell what you do for Spice. No one get to understand, say me predict too much election and predict things and so forth. That when me used to predict Spice pussy and predict too much man and commander blood clot. Who do say I lie me I tell, no one realize say me can't predict good. Oh no move on the hypocrite blood clot. Because the same bumbo clot thing with the whole out there talk about bossy. And the same blood clot thing Spice did upon. RT, come here, my good friend, my love. Come here, my boss. Gotcha. You know me love you like God. Me love you like Christ. Watch ya. You know me, girl. Love you like Christ. No, you hate me like Satan. I look for Christ. No move on the blood clot. Me learn my lesson. I feel free. Cuss out blood clot. I feel courage.
On the here.
Me say, me used to prophesy. Me say, me had to read that man and me prophesy. Move your blood clot. You're fake false prophet. You can't see a blood clot. What you do fear? Like me say, me advise her and tell her what to do and tell her what to do. Move your blood clot. No, the whole I realize that me can't read. But I see, me not busy with you and I beg you read it. Move on hypocrite blood clot. Don't bring me down for talk the truth. Because I'm sure knows that if me did that tell lie, no one would say, give me a little bit of your reading, tell me where you see. They will have no, I truth. Because the whole of them hear the woman come out and say, me say, he boy, him don't know nothing, him don't know fuck, him don't know a fat. Me hear people come talk about profit this and profit that. Like them not no sense, like them don't know God. Me say the boy can't read, the boy a scammer, the boy don't know shit. But when I come talk about, every day when I come talk about profit this, profit that. The boy don't know a damn shit, the boy don't know a thing, the boy don't know a ras. True, you talk, true. No run come over here, but beg you read it, no. Remember the blood clot woman over there, but the boy don't know nothing. The boy don't know a ras. In the video, they talk about profit this, profit that. And the boy carry, the boy don't have a gift. They say, true, mama. No, move on the blood clot. No, the whole I don't realize that me can't read. Why you not say to her, I say, so hold on, when you're saying couldn't read and you don't know shit, mama, but I lie you tell mama, them me not see me read people. Every fucking thing come out of the man mouth a lion. And gonna beat me for it. So me going to be a revengeful motherfucker until the day I die. Because me not forget it. Everything me do gonna beat me for. And when me talk the blood clot shoot, just someone leave me here. Wanna leave me? I thought reach. The only thing you reach part is a bleaching cream and some clothes. The only parts me see blood clot figure it out and him brother reach is a dozen bleaching cream and some clothes. Because them the old prostitute carry they from in a blood clot 80s. From Dorset, China, refuse and Jamaica by he. Some carry when I have no blood clot name for member say at 2025 in make it. And uno down there a parasite to blood clot as only rich. When me big Obeah man to blood clot having a me at 25, 26. Can't buy so no rich, on for tap it blood clot down there, man. It is embarrassing to the people who know about money. Because how the fuck you know go say you rich and you spend 95 food money in a rent house and Airbnb? I know so rich people live.
Exactly.
I know some, you know, oh, you know, get a back way richness and I come and show up and people say, you rich. You know, rent people $200 and $300. That's why me put for me one at $350 and $4 so they can afford it because me know want certain rock attacker come after me blood clot place. Because first thing, if you make too nice, then write letter and keep meeting and say, listen, this person have to leave. What you will on the run come through New Year, me attack too much, I chat people. Why would me I chat people so much on the run come? And they only make it look say mix up. I only talk people business, but I never call on crowd. And then when I want to come and people come, Lord RT mix up, RT over there, bring down people, this is my blood clot, like me pay my bills, me there I chat people, the whole people them run come. I never call a blood clot soul. Because all who they say watch me and them no friend, me and them no buckle. So me there I bring down people and people come. So no consent say, I me at them blood clot come on my phone, see me I bring people down. I never call nobody, me have legal right to talk on my phone and me pay my bill. So if you news left right here, so I no bring it go.
Right, that's all.
Come there from long time I chat and then so much money run come. I'm not I'm by the way, moderator, don't block them. Anybody say anything bad, don't block me. Me cuss out them unscrupulous broke blood clot because right now my mouth upon repentance and repentance topic. So I will lim up on class every moment dirty blood clot. Please don't block them. Cause me go and talk out of my good body blood clot and any pussy come back, me and them up them blood clot a long time in no cuss, so me will talk. Don't do me no favor, moderator. I will crucify them blood clot. No, listen me. Listen me. Listen me. Akeem say, bo, him did buy car from Akeem, know you're ambitious. I did serious money you buy car. Blood that you got about you did have car. Me say I hate when broke people go and rich see. I mean not true, me have look money, me a show off. The truth is the truth because some broke clot, somehow no down there were broke too. And a little broke man I tell you say them rich and you were broke a car feelings and never know say a broke smarty I teach you about rich. So me need no blood clot people who know say listen Brooks man, you're not supposed to teach you about rich and you're supposed to feel blood clot embarrassed because you know I know so you go. So the Brooks man, you're not supposed to tell you about no richness and you feel like you broke too. When you blood clot I live better and him broke. How I fool you? We are gonna talk it truth. Anyway, people no go on because no more want to talk and I can't talk too much crowd. Come out go step come out and go step outside when that I can't consider too much public. Couldn't make me get nervous. Tomorrow no come out back and go back out on the front part. There's no too much pack up in here when I get nervous because I may go feel like I can't talk when I want to cuss me. Then Akeem now. May I come for him. Akeem. Him use Rose. I know me not think Rose use him now. Because I look like the first day must say, Rose, can we do the series together? Rose say yes. And from that day she not stop tell yes until today. You know when you put somebody under one hypnosis, you know when you traumatize somebody at just one word, you just took them out.
Right, that's all.
Hey, all Rosalee, big stay bad and worthless. Me say all Rosalee want, me say Rosalee, me not like, me not believe in a dumb, me not believe in a abusing thing, me not believe in abusing man, but trust me, I would have want them put in a one electrocution share and shock your blood clot for 30 seconds and say, alright, just take her up, we just want how she feel. I don't want she be electrocuted if you take her alive, but I just want she have a look at taste of how ending life feel. Blood clot. You waste your time. You can imagine? Rosalee got tell me say she talk, say she fall for boy. Darling dear, in case you do a wrong word she use, Rosalee don't fall to blood clot, she tie. Rascal, because from the day she fall, everybody see, and from she fall, we pull her out with the mouth, we pull her out with everything. We do everything for pull her out till she pull out her own blood clot self and come say. We say sitting make me calm. That's why I keep no court case, you know. You make me trap.
Yeah.
Trap. I fall for the boy chat. I don't know who tell me say I fall for the boy chat. I'm say I want dash the phone to blood clot and sue the company.
Oh, what's the word? Oh, God.
But in love.
In love my boxer.
He love me, my blood clot, what? He burn me, man.
love
Vex,
what?
man. Me upset me hear. Me say I'm upset to see when I hear it.
Fully careless.
Careless to the max.
Because I like when I hear it, I'm saying to myself, no, so well I know. Me forgot go beat pan and celebrate and say I shoot me attack or me for cry or me for laugh. I don't know what the fuck I should do because this girl come tell we what we already know. No, should I sorry for you?
But you went tell them, say, once she come admit certain things and start bringing him down, the whole of them will come for the boy.
Listen to me, let me tell you this.
Love.
I'll know Rosalee no start yet. Let me tell you what I go on with Rosalee right now. Rosalee right now I balance the juggle because she a member the pity them. Let me tell you something. Rosalee no come for Akeem yet. Every time she chuckle up, Smaddy in her ear said, no, June. She said, okay, remember me pity them. Every time she chuckle up, I drop with Smaddy say, no, June. Remember the pity. She said, okay. June said, I can't wait for the pity them get help. Remember bring down the dirty boy. Hey, June, I full thing for telling you. I tell her I do everything next week I go done. Mister, you know, see her mode ready. She want tax, but she don't know how to.
She don't know how to
I'm
start.
ready from Monday, Sunday, so from Sunday.
And Diamond I go say my bad man, but that time no Diamond for the series now. It become Papi to show now, it become clone now. Do something different now. Blood clad. Everybody know the man never want none of no. Diamond change it up now. Do something. Breed for him. Same fuck you, same rape you. Do something. Blood clot. This living together, him want you. Everybody know nobody don't want nobody there. So change up the series now, man. But clad. Dive breed for him, make that more spicy. If you go here say you breed and we see belly, at least we that say the pitney figure it out and figure it out of the father. So therefore we don't even figure it out of the father, because the father never figure it out already. Breed Diamond go breed, make the series more interesting. Do something.
I wonder if she go figure out the tattoo there. I wonder if they go figure out the tattoo them when they put on.
One out of the two. So they who put on tattoo?
The both of them.
Diamond, they were
They put on Diamond and she put on figure it out.
Hey, then when Diamond man in England we get the papers that say, he can't see him blind in deaf.
He might try figure it out, I say.
Me not about figure it out. Me give you. Me say the man we get the papers where they in England there.
He might try figure it out.
They know him to figure it out. Unless him blind, unless him deaf, unless he no use the phone. Something was wrong with him. Make you know see what go on. He not have internet. He no use phone.
Well, try to figure it out.
Carelessness to us.
One carelessness.
No, me no rate Diamond for that. That is taking it. Diamond, you move like Rosalee now.
Yeah,
Diamond, no real sensible uptown at girl get to you. Girl go put on Papi show upon them and to make it Papi show more Papi show. Diamond, you lose for that to blood class. No me if you want to fall. Diamond, your Papi show thing that. So you go put tattoo on finger where can come off and the series soon come off. So we are trying to say no. Say the tattoo mean the series permanent. Diamond, you love man so bad to blood clad. You are like, hey Diamond, you me never know say. Diamond, me know you enough. I want to be love with Diamond. Diamond no fall for the man. She just fall for the fuck. And that's why I will ever bring on top about Diamond love her after. Because Diamond more sensible. Diamond will fall for the man, but just for the fuck. But she not gonna fall for the man as fall for the man. Because I never see no man Diamond fall for. She change them like when summer and spring.
Well, the thing is, she look on her, the series done now and she can look on her hand and say, figure it out, Diamond, figure it out. So
Well,
at least she never put
I
on
figure it
radio.
out already. You want me to tell you when me figure it out and get? I believe that Diamond in the same atmosphere like Rosalee. I believe you have to see this, you know. Both Diamond and Rosalee, and this is what people not gonna like. I'm gonna tell the truth, I'm gonna wipe out the camera. Both Diamond and Rosalee, the type of man where they might play with is the type of man where they want in a real life. No joke, no dead. And from a seat, I know it's gonna be an issue. Because the man when him figure out it out of them boy they Diamond with a tech.
Yep.
Rosalee man when him Hakeem, them the boy that where she dream of where she not get. So So everybody fall for them one another. But get you know who fall for who. There's no time Akeem fall for Rose and there's no time figure it out I go fall for Diamond. There's no go so. Figure it out is one of the biggest. You see any woman what they would figure it out on a blood clot test because when you watch him and say, oh, I can tell be a blood clot lie with Diamond and you are going there with him. No, a man where is a clever liar and a tremendous actor. You go there with him and make sure you don't go mind him. Me not have nothing bad to say about Diamond, you know, because the bottom line is the worst thing Diamond could have do a fuck him. And nothing wrong if Diamond fuck him, as hypocrite as maybe. If Diamond even give me one fucking at the Airbnb, that's a common assault. God, me that tell Diamond say just fuck him again and go and get little fuck behind the scene of the series, because nothing wrong with that. You will go and cool out your good old mama. But when me I say differently now, when it come to who want relationship, no one in a data blood club because no one can do. That not work. That not gonna work. Because let me tell you why me predict say the two of them couldn't do. Diamond have her time when she depart me fabulous. Neat girl, fabulous me. Yeah, watch my bossy walk. Yeah, me fabulous. Yeah, fabulous me. Yeah, look how my fabulous. All right, figure it out. Yeah, you see I'm cool. I'm clean. Yeah, man. So the girl them like it, you know. I feel me clean. Yeah, I'm gonna tell her say I meet a girl in the past. I want the girl see me shade, and the girl I say, oh, I like the shade there. So I tell her about the competition. When the two of them ready for go competition out to blood like them, I go say, you know I'm gone. Because no boy not fight in a mirror over me. Yeah, girl. No boy not fight in a mirror over me. Girl, me sit down here, you know. I'm there, I'm someone going in the mirror. The boy that come in the video before me chat. Chat. Too cute chat. No chat. Someone leave. That's what Diamond can say. Me know Diamond them, that's what they go on, me know them. Won't laugh, man. That's true.
Alright, you're right, that's true. Him conceded into himself a lot.
In too much in a feel, say, if him and Diamond can't there, because I'm going to fight Diamond for the mirror and fight who look better.
Mm-hmm.
That's the only problem we have with it. In too perfect.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But he did say he knows how to figure it out.
Well. The one thing me know, you know. I'm going to talk this. And this is what I know. Be a Batman Ivany attract and a be a Batman Ivany catch fear, pussy catch fish.
Jesus Christ.
And that's how we know because when me treat the record, baby, what are they she cost tell them to say them for Batty she talk it when she ready. And the last Rasta one before ain't gone before Slashy the last time she check she say Batty boy I remember you for Batty me catch you with Tampane. You know let me go cook me dinner because you know let me leave. Let me leave. Because sometimes I try too much with you and sometimes it make sense me chatting. I'm going to leave.
My boss, go and chill out with us.
I'm going to leave. I'm going to leave. No, I'm going to leave because you know what, you know what no, I'm mix up and true, me talk it truth. No, I'm mix up and me with the guy truth, me talk.
No, man, you know.
Listen to me. I don't have anything against the little boy. Them have nice character. Them energy where them are come with. Okay, me like the whole narrative. Me like the message. But the end of the day is the only thing me would have criticize and say is the two of them too perfect. So me know say them no real. Them fake as fuck. Them coming like Miss Triple. You saw Miss Triple sit down every day. I hide the secret. I hide the life. I hide everything. No, yeah, mackerel boss out.
Yes, one bag of carelessness. You see, man, said the series them turn up, you know. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we drop the latest one. Bless.